In front of me is MEIZU M5S, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select language and time, and here under date and time you will notice the switcher, so smoothly switch off automatic date and time, and now you can pick time zone, and then date and time manually by yourself. Actually, it hasn't been applied. Okay, now it's working. And then you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can turn it off. And that would be all. This is how you can change the date and time. And then whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just use this first switcher, and also here you can use this 24-hour format clock, which is a default one. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.